Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. Reduction in registration fee of grants, renewal and transfer of mining leases. Fee brought down to 5% from 100% of stamp duty. Huge relief to Bollywood superstar Salman Khan. Bombay High Court suspends his 5-year sentence in the 2002 hit-and-run case, grants bail. Goa government orders 2000 KFD vaccine for monkey disease in Pali. 29 tested positive. Vaccine recommended by National Centre for Control of Disease. Consumers agitated over electricity bills. Electricity consumers charged with exorbitant electricity bills. Blame game continues between Power Department, GEL and bank. And committee ready with roadmap for teams preparations. Focus on identifying potential sportspersons and training with top-class facilities for upcoming national games. And now the news in detail. Government has reduced registration fee of grants, renewal and transfer of mining leases. The fees have been brought down to 5% from 100% of stamp duty. Chief Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar informed this to media after cabinet meeting on Friday. He has also announced that 200 children of freedom fighters will get government jobs in next 2 years.
Registration of instrument relating to grant, renewal and transfer of mining leases equivalent to 5% of stamp duty. पहिली ती 100% असली, 5% हाडली. पहिली 100 असली ती आणि तांकां ते जड वताले. ते कागदोपत्री असले, कोणेच करूंक नासले ते. आणि म्हाका दिसता ते नजर चुकीन जाल्ली अशें म्हाका दिसता. इट कॅनॉट बी 100%. फ्रीडम फायटरच्या भुरग्यांक नोकऱ्यो दिवप हाच्या संदर्भांतलो जो निर्णय फाटल्या सरकारचो आसलो, बॅलन्स आसात आणि त्यामुळे वी हॅव एक्सटेंडेड बाय अनदर 2 years. त्यामुळे 2 वर्सांच्या जाग्यार 4 वर्सां असो थोडो बदल केला. 150 ते 200 आसात म्हज्या अंदाजान. वी आर अपॉइंटिंग 20 कोचीस ऑन कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट बेसीस. IITचे कंडिशन आसा की तांकां किमान 12-14 लाख स्क्वेअर मीटर जागा जर फायनलाइज झाली तरच ते ह्या जुलै पासून गोवा इंजिनियरिंग कॉलेजीच्या प्रेमायसिसांत अंदूच्यान क्लासीस सुरू करतले. जागा जर फायनलाइज जावंक ना जाल्यार दे वूड नॉट आणि वी वूड नॉट ऑल्सो प्रेस, कारण अखेर इट इज द प्रॉस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ द स्टुडंट्स हू आर एनरोल्ड. एज ऑफ नाव आमचे कडेन 3 जागा आमी दाखयल्ले आसात. इफ वन ऑफ द 3 इज फायनलाइज्ड then only the question of commencing classes from forthcoming academic year arises. ताच्याय पलीकडे तुवें आनी एक 2 लाख आयडेंटिफाय केल्या आनी एक IIT पार्काक. मरिनाक जे दोनांक दिल्या आमी तांकां आमी म्हटलां इन प्रिंसिपल वी हॅव ग्रांटेड हावे सब्जेक्ट टू कंडिशन फ्रॉम NOC फ्रॉम क्लिअरन्स फ्रॉम CRZ.
Sir, have you managed to convince Alina Saldana ma'am on this?
No. Why you are asking personally question? Convince मुझे. She did not come. Never. She, in fact, she came with newspaper one day and she said that she is being misquoted all over. What shall I do? I am like, shut your mouth. Boss, that's all.
Huge relief to Bollywood superstar Salman Khan. The Bombay High Court has suspended his 5-year sentence in the 2002 hit-and-run case and granted him bail pending his appeal against conviction. The judge directed him to surrender before the trial court and furnish a fresh bail bond of 30,000 rupees. Salman Khan fans were seen celebrating the relief. Next hearing is scheduled in July.
सेशंस कोर्ट में सरेंडर करना है और उसके बाद उनकी जमानत की प्रोसेस शुरू होगी। इमीडिएटली उनको करना ही है, आज ही करना है। उनको 5 साल की सजा सेशंस कोर्ट में हुई थी, इसके लिए अभी उनका अपील एडमिट किया गया है और उनको जमानत दी गई है 30,000 रुपीज की। और सुनवाई जो है वो जुलाई में अंतिम सुनवाई होगी और क्या सही क्या गलत उनके खिलाफ गुनाह जो है वो प्रूव हो चुका है। इसके लिए अगर जो अपील है उसका फाइनल हियरिंग होने तक उनको आउट ऑफ कंट्री जाने के लिए मना किया गया है। इसके लिए अगर उनको जाना ही पड़ा तो उन्हें इस न्यायालय के सामने अर्जी करनी पड़ेगी और न्यायालय से परमिशन लेकर ही वो जा सकते हैं।
A huge crowd of fans gathered outside the Bollywood superstar's residence in suburban Bandra on Friday morning. Earlier on Wednesday, interim bail had come hours after Salman was found guilty and subsequently sentenced to 5 years in jail plus a fine of Rs 25,000 by additional session court. In the significant verdict, court had pronounced him guilty on all the prosecution charges, including culpable homicide not amounting to murder, rush and drunken driving, driving without a valid license and other laws. Khan's car had run over a group of people sleeping on the pavement, killing 1 person and injuring 4 others. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Goa government has ordered KFD vaccine for monkey disease. Government will conduct vaccination drive in Pali village at Sattari. Directorate of Health Services has ordered 2,000 vaccines from Karnataka. Till date, 29 are tested positive for monkey disease. National Center for Control of Disease team has recommended vaccination in Pali and surrounding affected areas to counter Cassandra forest disease. To control monkey disease, Health Department will conduct vaccination drive in Pali village at Sattari. Directorate of Health Services Department has ordered 2,000 vaccines. Order was given to Virus Diagnostic Laboratory at Shimoga, Karnataka. The vaccine will be available in Goa by next week. Government has identified nearly 1,000 people in and around Pali for vaccination. Vaccination drive will start at the end of May and it will continue for next 5 years in Pali and surrounding areas to ensure total eradication of Cassandra forest disease. National Center for Control of Disease has recommended vaccination in the affected areas. Till date, nearly 29 people have been tested positive for monkey disease in and around Pali, and as per the government's reported figures, 4 have died due to epidemic. Health, Forest and Animal Husbandry Department have been working in Pali area to control monkey disease. Meanwhile, 67 positive cases of swine flu has been reported in the state. All are discharged after treatment. Reporter Mahesh Kari for Prudent. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.